This is literally the best thing ever. Hey bestie girls, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know every time that your girl posts. Today we're diving into a very exciting topic that's been buzzing in the beauty world: microneedling, specifically with Seranova Beauty. Whether you're looking to improve your skin texture or tackle other skin concerns, microneedling has become one of the go-to treatments. So let's break it down. Microneedling is a minimally invasive cosmetic procedure that utilizes tiny needles to create micro injuries into the skin. This stimulates your body's natural healing response and promotes collagen and elastin production. In simpler terms, it can help revitalize your skin and give you that youthful glow that I know we all love. Now let's talk about Seranova Beauty. This brand is known for its commitment to skin health. Their microneedling devices are designed for professionals and at-home use. All of their products come with high quality needles to ensure you get the best results with minimal discomfort. Without further ado, let's just get into the video because these fine lines are not waiting on us. So this is the chamber that you're supposed to put this serum inside of, a peptide serum. So after you're finished putting the serum into the micro infusion device, it says turn it down for 2 minutes to ensure that the needles completely soak the serum. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes, so let's start the process. I don't know why I'm so nervous to do this, because I feel like when you hear microneedling, like you think of all of those pictures where people's faces are like peeled off and they look all red and crazy, but I don't think this isn't going to be anything like this. I'm really excited to try it, so let's just try it. Okay. So it says start at the center of the face and work your way outwards. It's best to stamp with a 50% overlap and repeat it 2 to 3 times in one session to see the best results. So we're gonna go outwards this way, outwards this way, outwards, 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 and then we're gonna come up on the neck, and then we're gonna do that process 3 times. Okay, so I'm just going to interrupt for a second because you guys, this is not painful at all. It just feels like little pricklies on your skin, but it's zero pain. It's really weird that I was freaking out over nothing. You don't think that it's doing anything to your skin, and then you look and you guys can see the redness. It's definitely doing its thing. All right, so let's finish. And this is my skin after the second go around, and you can really see where the microneedling has went into my face, and it's super impressive that you can actually achieve microneedling results at home. I'm obsessed with this. So let's go over our face one more time for the 3rd round. It is slightly more intense, and I feel like that's because I've already went over this section 2 times. So now at this point my skin's like, girl, what's up? What are we doing? And I'm just so excited to see the results from this treatment. I'm super excited. you know, as you get older, you have certain skin concerns and you just want to try different options that help your skin thrive and the capability that it has to thrive. So I'm super into my skincare and new and different anti-aging techniques. So this is really interesting to be able to try out. So thank you, Seranova Beauty, for sponsoring this video. So this is my skin after about 2 minutes, and how my skin feels. My skin feels great. I don't feel any like sensitivity or discomfort. Yes, my skin is red, but it feels fine. It feels okay. Like, it's tolerable. And I also want to note that this is for one-time use only. You don't want to share this or reuse it. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. So this is about 30 minutes after the first 3 applications of the microneedling, and my skin feels great. I don't have any discomfort. It's red, obviously. That's a given with the treatment. But other than that, I feel great. My skin feels great. I'm just ready to see results. Okay, so after you're done, it does instruct you to go ahead and finish the rest of your skincare routine. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with their deep collagen cream just to put some moisture back into my skin after that microneedling treatment. Good. All the fine lines going away. Yes, give me that smooth baby skin. And lastly, I'm just going to go in with their micro infusion patches. Now these deliver powerful ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and a blend of advanced peptides deeply into the skin for long-lasting smoothing and firming. This is amazing. Let's get into it. And it also says leave these on the skin for at least 2 hours. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. Microneedling with Seranova Beauty could be the best addition to your skincare routine. If you are interested in trying microneedling like I just did, just consult with a qualified professional or tap in with Seranova Beauty for more information, because girl, we're getting older and time is not waiting on us, and we need to make sure our skin is in the best shape ever. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And let me know if you've tried microneedling at home or if you're open to it. Thanks for watching, bestie, and I'll see you in the next video.